game that Isaiah and Tobias created. Well, Isaiah started the game. He rolled a 6. Nice thing to roll, except it's right before the sewage pipe, so we'll bring him to the sewage pipe at the end of the yellow. Tobias gets a 4. It lands 2 blocks behind him. That's nice, I guess. Isaiah's distracted, finds the dice, rolls a 2. Oops, I said that too early. He rolls a 2 and lands right after the sewage pipes. That's something pretty unlucky. Next, Tobias rolls and gets a 5 right in front of Isaiah. Now they get to stare at each other if they felt like it. Isaiah gets a 4. So he is a couple in front of Tobias. Tobias gets a 4 himself. This is Tobias chasing Isaiah. That's something pretty bad. Isaiah rolls the dice and he gets a 5. But since he landed on the green's feet, he got to move 2 blocks ahead. So instead of a 5, he practically got a 7. And Tobias stupid, well he didn't really, got dumb luck and landed on the sewage pipes that would bring him back. Those sewage pipes, if you land on the one at the end of the yellow lane, you'd go back to the one at the end of the red lane. And well, Isaiah just played his turn. Isaiah played his turn again. And Tobias played, and well, Tobias got a 3, and Isaiah got a 6. You might be wondering why they have weapons in their hands. Well, the gun is for if you want to shoot each other. Well, the other person would miss a turn, but sadly they don't use this in this game because they're too shy. And the other weapon in their hand, like the character Isaiah is using, has a flamethrower, and Tobias has a blueberry staff. Well, if you land right behind someone, you could hit them with it, and you would send them to the start of the color of the line you are on, and you take their place. And well, Isaiah just landed on the chest with a golden bullet. Perfect timing. With that golden bullet, you could stun the dragon or hit the other person, and he'd go to the start and lose a turn. That's not something pretty fun to have. So Tobias moves forward very slowly. Isaiah is showing off his beautiful feet, but we're pending on him, depending that he plays his turn. Oh, and he plays, and he gets a 2! He gets on the trophy! His first player gets to ride the dragon. And well, Santa Claus doesn't want to play today because he broke the bench and missed a Papa Pizzeria's snack bar. Well, he's gonna play, so Isaiah's first character passes on his gun to Santa Claus, so Santa Claus can play and shoot other players. Santa Claus gets to keep the golden bullet because that's just how it works. Claus moves forward, Santa Claus moves forward, playing the game, and since Isaiah got his first guy finished, well, he could use the catapult. He can use this throughout the rest of the game if he feels like it, but he forgets about it through the rest of the game. That's pretty depressing. It would have been fun if you actually hit them, but if you do hit the person, they would have to move back 1 square, or else the game would be too long. So, they're playing the game like, oh, and Isaiah landed in the sewage at the end of the red line, so that means he gets to go to the end of the yellow line. But if he landed on the one at the end of the yellow line, he'd go to the end of the red line. So it's, yeah. Isaiah changes the position of his first player, and he coincidentally did that at the turn of Tobias's death with the dragon. Right now he just has to start to the start, and well, he has to go play the game again. He has to go through the whole entire board again. Because he got a 6 that landed perfectly on the dragon, and if you land on the dragon, well, you go to the start. Twice got 1. We're waiting here. Hurry up, play. You can do it. Okay, Isaiah lands. Well, he plays his turn. Nothing really interesting happens. Boys gets a 6. He moves 6 and he lands on the sewers, just like Isaiah. Like a secret passageway. Like the catacombs, wherever they are. Catacombs that bring you up to the other place. Pretty lucky. Isaiah just play his turn. Boys, roll the dice, play his turn. Isaiah plays his turn. Tobias plays his turn and lands on the blue speed. That means he gets to go forward 1 because the blue speed is in between the blue square and another blue square, and there's airstrike on it. So Tobias collects the airstrike. He can use that to stun the dragon or put Isaiah's character at the start. Sadly, spoiler, Tobias doesn't use the airstrike in this game. Tobias showing funny faces. That's odd. Well, Isaiah gets a 6, so that means he'd land directly on the dragon, but he doesn't want to do that. So he is forced to shoot it with the golden bullet to it is stunned, so he can jump on its snout and get the trophy. So Isaiah won this game. Thank you for watching. Wow!